How do secular parents explain the universe before the Big Bang? Imagine trying to explain something that happened so long ago that no one was around to see it. That's what secular parents do when they talk about the universe before the Big Bang. They focus on what science tells us, not on stories or beliefs. The Big Bang happened about 13.8 billion years ago. It was not an explosion like a bomb, but a rapid stretching of space from an extremely hot and dense state. This event marks the start of space, time, matter, and energy as we understand them. Before the Big Bang, current science says there is no clear answer. That's because time and space themselves began at that moment. Asking what came before is like asking what is north of the North Pole. It just doesn't make sense in our current understanding of physics. Scientists are still trying to figure out if there was anything before, but so far, the evidence points to the idea that the universe started with the Big Bang. When explaining this to children, secular parents use simple words. They say that the universe was once very tiny and hot, and then it started expanding and cooling down. Over billions of years, stars and galaxies formed, and planets like Earth appeared. They emphasize that science relies on evidence and observations. This helps children see the universe as a natural thing that happened without needing supernatural causes. Parents who support secular values want their children to think critically. They tell them that science is a way of learning about the world based on facts, not beliefs. They also explain that some questions about the universe are still open. This encourages curiosity and shows that science is a process of discovery that keeps going. To help children understand, parents might use models or pictures of the universe expanding. They can talk about how everything started from a tiny point and grew over time. They also encourage questions and exploration, so kids can learn more about how the universe works. This approach helps children develop a naturalistic view of the world, grounded in evidence and reason. By focusing on scientific explanations, secular parents support their children in understanding the universe as a fascinating, natural phenomenon. They teach that science is about observing, testing, and learning, not about accepting stories without evidence. This way, children grow up with a love for discovery and a clear understanding of how the universe began, all without relying on creationist ideas.